Oh, we're the last one going on the plane here. Here's their little control panel. I've never looked at this before. Camera angles of it all there. Interesting. Say hi to the pilot?
Yeah, they're in the middle of a briefing right now.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They're getting ready. Their pre-flight checks. I'm a pilot too. Yeah, nice.
With
oh, private.
Oh.
Yeah, 172s.
You want to say hi to me?
Yeah. Hi guys.
Say hi.
Howdy, how are you?
I'm a fellow pilot too. Just little planes like 172s.
Okay.
My name's Chris, and what's your name?
Well, I'm John, but I hope you. I prefer not to get posted on any.
Oh, are you shy about being on
social media stuff?
Oh, are you shy on like getting on YouTube and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Definitely not.
Oh, okay. Sorry everyone, we can't have a usual meet and greet with our pilots, but I hope you enjoy the rest of this flight from Puerto Vallarta to wet, cold Victoria, BC. Take care, everyone.
Sean Bell. In the cabin for your comfort and safety, towards the back you'll find Taylor. So we have Ivy at row 4, and that front is Reed. My name is Aurelio. So your safety is important to us, so we ask for your attention as we review the following safety information. There is a safety features card located at your seats, which indicates the safety features of this aircraft.
We're taking off now. We're coming up to Mazatlán here.
If you have any questions about connecting flights or baggage, please speak to an agent inside the terminal. Happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain John and his team today, we thank you so much for flying with us. We appreciate your continued support and trust and look forward to welcoming you aboard again soon. Safe travels, everyone.
Well, here's the gloomy weather we've come back to in Victoria. It's horrible. Wet and cold. Jacob, thanks brother for coming and pick me up. But look at this horrible weather.
Welcome to the Pacific Northwest. It is not Mexico.
This is awful. I can't believe I just left Mexico with beautiful blue clear skies and 26 degrees every day, and I'm coming back to this. What's wrong with me? I should be down in Mexico still.
Buy another ticket while you're here.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn around and go back right now. Here we are at the rainy Victoria Terminal in Victoria, BC. So stay tuned to Budget Traveler. You never know what we're gonna see or who you're gonna meet on Budget Traveler. So much for picking me up.
Oh, my pleasure, buddy.
Boy, this weather's gonna take some getting used to, eh? Holy mackerel, look at this.
She's a white one.
Absolutely horrible, look at this. What's wrong with me? How could I have come back in my right mind back to this, eh? From leaving 85 degrees, like 26, 30 degrees every day, beautiful sunny blue skies to this, wow.
Wow, 85.
Well, stay tuned to Budget Traveler. You never know what we're gonna see or who you're gonna run into on Budget Traveler. There's my motto. How do you like it?
That's perfect.